In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio sound in Figma, quick Figma tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach an audio clip to your design using a plugin so your prototypes feel more immersive and polished. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in. From your dashboard, open the design file where you want to add sound. It can be a mobile screen, a web layout, or any frame you're prototyping. Make sure the right page and frame are visible so you can quickly tie the audio to the context you're working on. Next, open Actions. This is Figma's quick command palette that helps you find features and plugins fast. You can click into the search field at the top of the interface to bring up quick actions or use your usual way to access it. The point is to get the Actions bar visible so you can search without digging through menus. With the Actions bar open, click Plugin. This takes you into the plugin area so you can run tools that extend Figma. If you already use plugins, this will look familiar. If not, think of plugins as small helpers that add features like animation, icons, and in this case, audio. In the plugin search, enter PunchCut. This is the plugin we'll use for adding sound to your design. When it appears in the results, click it, then click Run. That will open the plugin panel inside your file. If this is your first time, give it a second to load a badge and make sure your design file remains active in the background. Now, in the PunchCut panel, feel free to select the sound that fits your design. Choose an audio clip that supports the experience you're building, something subtle for micro interactions or a gentle loop for ambience. Aim for short, light files to keep your prototype responsive. As you browse, pay attention to tone and pacing so it complements your brand and doesn't overwhelm the visuals. If you're planning to share the prototype, make sure the sound you choose is appropriate for that context. Once you've picked the right audio, click Save. This confirms your selection and stores it with your design so it's ready the next time you open the file or hand it off. Saving ensures the plugin applies your choice consistently across sessions and devices. That's it. You opened Figma, opened your design, used Actions to access plugin, searched for PunchCut, ran it, selected the perfect sound, and clicked Save. You now have audio integrated into your Figma workflow, ready to enhance your prototypes with clear, intentional sound.